TV here. I'm Kirky Vibes.
I'm Shakim.
And
Shaquan.
we're here with another episode of Trick Questions.
But it's not trick questions, it's challenges.
Challenge! We're doing a challenge today. So this challenge is for Beans Boozled.
I would like you really to go home and practice.
Bean bamboozles. Should I tell them the ingredients?
Let's open it. Let's open it first to see what's going on. Oh, it's got this spinning thing. Okay, let's put this under there.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh my god.
So basically, we got some beans and stuff that look like beans. So it's called Double Dare Game. So
we have Coca-Cola or cat food.
So in one thing of it, so strawberry
or fresh blood.
Or fresh blood. Blueberry or
toothpaste. It's alright.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rotten milk or
Tutti frutti.
Yeah. Oh god. Caramel or
huh? Caramel or fart.
Or
watermelon or
snot. So we're gonna be seeing what's going on. I just messed it up there, so I need to sort it out again. Who's going first?
I'll go first.
You go first?
Yeah.
So basically I have to spin it. So you got rotten milk or tutti frutti. Tutti frutti is nice though. Have you tasted tutti frutti before? So go on and pick one of the white ones.
Oh my god. I can't wait. No.
Go on. You have to put it all in your mouth. You have to eat it.
Tutti frutti.
Yeah. Okay. You want to go next?
Okay.
Go on then, spin. No, you didn't to. You want to do it again because that's right on the line.
I'm having a sick day.
So it's this one. So you got cola or
cat food. Oh.
Cola or squid.
Oh, what?
Cola or no, cola or cat food.
Okay. Why does it squid?
I don't know, it's different on this. Eat it, bite it up. Bite it up.
Is it cola?
Is that cola? Yeah? Oh god! Sit down then. Okay, let's do that again. It's in the middle.
Okay.
I'm scared, man. I'm scared. Oh god. So I got cola or cat food.
Cola or cat food. We're fine. Is it cat food? Is it cola?
I can't tell. No, it's cola. It's cola. It's cola. So, okay. I'm good.
I'm good.
You're good. Go again. Stop moving it over there. Leave it here. Leave it in the middle. This one.
Oh no.
So that one is. What's that say on there? Fresh blood or
strawberry. Oh.
Fresh blood or strawberry. It's got.
I don't care. I really don't care. Well, again. Strawberry.
Strawberry? What's going on, man? Come on.
Come on, game.
So it's the green one.
On.
So the green one is watermelon or
not.
You know what it's not?
No. Boo-boo!
Will you keep quiet?
What is not? What is not?
Boo-boo.
Booger is a snot. Come on.
Oh my god. Come on.
Booger that's it, no? Come on, bro.
Oh my god.
What it tastes like? You have to eat it.
Yeah.
No, you have to eat it. Drink your water if you need to. What does it taste like? What it tastes like?
Tastes like onion.
Huh? Onion. Tastes like onion.
No.
So it's not tastes like onion now. I don't know. Okay, my go now. Trouble. You know. Oh, why do I keep getting this one, man?
Coca-Cola. Right, Coca-Cola.
Oh God. I don't like this one. I'm gonna do it.
It's Gabby.
Come on. Where you guys going? Come on.
Robin. Robin. Oh my God.
It's disgusting. So you got
Caramel or
no caramel or
caramel or fats. Caramel or fats.
come on this one.
Good luck. Thank you for the luck.
Do it. Do it. No, eat it. Eat, there's your water, there's your water. What is it? What did it taste like? Eat it, bro. Tastes like what? Spit it in that. Eat your thing, bro. Yo. Come, you'll go. Oh, you're right,
I
man.
hope you come with fat.
So it's this one again. So we got cola or cat food. Come on.
Ooh, come and get cat food.
Oh man.
Oh, my eyes are starting
I
to
don't like
get
this
watery. My eyes are starting to get watery.
Is it? I have to sit down, bro. Is it okay?
It's cat food.
You like cat food, bro? You like cat food?
I've trained 20 years.
Huh? You trained 20 years. You said he's trained 20 years for cat
You
food.
haven't even been alive for 20 years. Come on, can get fat. Get caramel or something, please.
Oh,
Oh
what's this?
my God. Come here.
Rotten milk or tutti frutti?
Rotten milk. Rotten milk. Get inside the video.
Rotten milk.
Yes! Yes!
Rotten milk, bro. Rotten milk, bro. No. Got some okay.
That's how it felt when I was eating fat.
Yo, that tastes disgusting, bro.
Hey.
Ah, man. No, wait, what's that?
No, it was that one.
No, yeah, it's the white one.
Yeah.
So what is
Oh
that?
my God.
Rotten milk
Oh, like cheese.
or tutti frutti?
Tutti frutti.
Oh, bro.
Give me the
No, eat it first. Yeah, we even taste it.
Tutti frutti. Yo. Why are you good luck in here?
You're right. So, cola or squid?
No, it's cola or cat food.
Is it cat food, is it?
No, it's got to be or fresh blood. Fresh blood.
Strawberry.
Wait. It's not. Wait.
Caramel or flat?
No, it's watermelon.
Caramel or flat?
It's watermelon or snot.
Watermelon snot, okay. So why is it saying different things on this bill?
Yeah, because we exchanged it.
We didn't exchange nothing. We left it there.
Watermelon. It's so nice.
Yo, bro. Go up to him. Cola or?
Cat food.
Come on, cat food lover. You love cat food.
Yeah. It doesn't matter about him. It doesn't matter about Coca-Cola or cat food.
I know. Come on, man.
So it doesn't matter. Okay, cat food now.
Is it cat food now? Is it cat food? Is it cat food?
I always say you like that food.
No, Felix.
Okay, thank you.
What is it? Cat food or cat food? Yeah. Is
This
it okay?
guy's a monster. He can eat anything.
Caramel or fart?
Oh my god. Fire up. I swear though, that's stay there. I heard that it's disgusting. It cannot fart. That's fart.
Caramel.
Oh god, you're so lucky. No one can fart except me. Oh my god.
Come on, bro. The camera's there looking at you.
Oh my god.
Come on, fam.
Wait, what's that?
So it's going well. He's at fart. He's at rotten milk. I've had rotten milk. He's at
No, I
caffeine.
don't have raw milk.
You didn't?
I got like
Okay. Rotten milk now then.
rotten milk. Here we go. It better rotten milk. It has to be.
Right.
I don't bite it.
Bite it.
Yes, right here.
Okay?
Right here.
Huh?
Tutti frutti.
Come. Your turn.
Ah.
It's about to go down.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. What?
Blueberry or
Toothpaste.
Toothpaste.
It doesn't really matter.
I know.
Yeah.
I love it. Give me tip.
The toothpaste.
Blueberry.
Oh man. I got the best ones. Yeah. Wait, what is that? No,
Brown
it's
one.
caramel fart.
Caramel or fart. Go on.
No.
Go on, do a fart. Sit down, Tracky.
No.
What?
That's fart.
What? You haven't even tasted
Yeah, I
it.
swear, look, I'm so excited.
Yeah, I can smell it. Oh,
Here's the bucket. Oh my god.
so you're not eating it though? Yo, it stinks, boy.
Oh my god.
Oh, sit down. Sit down, bro.
Like, that's the lyric.
You're done. Ah, caramel
You get-
fart, bro.
Yeah, now you say fart, now you get the now you get the fart. Yes, please. Come closer.
It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Guys, I think let's finish this video. You wanna go then?
No!
Okay.
If I get this, I'm not doing it. What's that?
I don't know what it was. Bro. I don't know what it was. I don't know if that was caramel or fart, bro. That tastes nasty though. That's another challenge from Father and Sons TV. We got a vlog coming up soon. Don't tell them what it is.
Okay.
We're just gonna surprise them and do something in the house. So yeah.
Yes.
Thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, if you like the relationship with these two, let me know. Give us a comment. Leave a like on the video. Please share the video to your friends. Tell them to.
Subscribe.
I haven't finished yet, but I'm waffling anyway. Tell them to go and subscribe over Father and Sons TV with Shaquan and Shakib and Big Ed Dad. You know what it is? So, if you haven't subscribed, also please consider doing so. We really appreciate the support, the love and the support. Okay?
Yeah, and if you never meet us,
Yeah.
this is our name.
This is our names. So, thank you for watching. Peace.
Peace.
Yep.